what's up, fam? So a lot of people go to, like, mechanic shops and dealerships to get their filter changed inside. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I actually got my friend's iPhone right now already with the LED light on because I'm gonna need it. So you just open this up. I removed all my stuff that I need to, and so what you need to do is there's like this thing here. I don't know, you just kind of press it down right from the center. It's gonna click like maybe twice, and then once it does, you push in this pillar here, and then the same thing as this one. So you put your hand behind it as much as you can, go on top, squeeze inwards, so that like inwards this way. So I'm going inwards, and then this should come down. Hold on, yep, it's down. There you go. There you go, guys. So it's inwards and this is out. So now we're good. And make sure this will pretty much come out that side when it's down all the way. So I'm gonna, as you guys can see inside, there's a clip right. I'm trying to use the light right there. There's a clip right here. We're gonna have to push this inward as well. Perfect. You can zoom in that tip right there. And then make sure it says airflow. See, the airflow is pointing downwards. Make sure you put it back in that way. Same thing on this side. There's another one right there in the center. You kind of push it inward. So I'm gonna do it. It's hard to put it back in, but for you guys, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna take this side, push inwards, it pops right out. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Push inwards, pops right out. And then you just grab it. That's the airflow, the arrow, how to put it. So I'm gonna put that down for now. And that's the filter right there, guys. I already changed mine, but I figured a lot of people are buying the cord now since the 2021 is ugly, honestly, in my opinion. And people are getting the 2019 and 2020. So that's the filter right there. Mine might be dirty. I put it like 3 months ago. And yeah, so you see the airflow, it's downwards. That's pretty much it, guys. It's gonna go sideways. Hold on, I'm gonna keep the light down so it goes right in all the way. For the air filter, I'll put in the link in the description. I got it from Amazon for like 10 bucks. And now what you do is you have to put this, make sure the arrow is pointing downwards. So that's the hard part, is you have to line it up. I wish I think I might be able to, yep. Put it this way. So it's hard. Point it down, yep. So that's the hard part. You guys kind of squeeze in. You need light for this. And try to put it together. When it's together, it clicks in. There was a click right there. You know what? Let me pop it out. All right, so you're gonna hear a click when it's lined up. See, that's a click right there. And same thing on this side. That 2 clicks right there. That's perfect. That's what you want. Airflow is pointed downwards. And then when you kind of push it up, put it back in. So just bring it up, push this backwards a little bit so it goes in. It will click in automatically, the 2 pillars that I kind of squeezed up. Just push it up more. Now it's perfect. Now you push it all the way pretty much up to here. Let it come back down. And then take this right here, go up a little bit. And it's gonna click in twice. I just have to use some force on it, I guess. Hold on. There you go. All right, so it's done, and then there you go. It closes back down. This is tight, and just put your stuff back in there and close it. That's it, guys. Do it at home for free. The link is in the description below for the filter. Thanks for watching.